Hey y'all, it's Carolsue and welcome back to my shop, and today we're going to learn how to make pumpkin spice and Halloween ice cream cones. So I'll show you what we're going to make. Here's the Halloween and here's my pumpkin spice. So grab y'all something to drink and let's get to crafting, y'all. Okay, today we are going to make Halloween and fall ice cream cones. I might make them muffins or cupcakes. I'm not really for sure yet. I made these probably 2 to 3 years ago. They were in my cabinet, way in the back. They are made out of Plaster of Paris. I'll have it on the screen where y'all can understand what I'm saying. But I had this for other stuff that I've made over the years. I got this silicone tray off of Amazon years ago. And you just pour the Plaster of Paris in there. And that's... So I got 2 missing. I don't know what I've done with those. I don't think I've made them. So there's still 2 more missing. But you just make it and they slide out. And if you know anything about Plaster of Paris, y'all, once you mix the batter, it's like a flour. You mix it, it gets hot. Hot. So I might make 2, I think I'll make these 2 fall and these 2 Halloween. Use my lightweight spackle for the topping. And you need your paints, apple barrel. And I got my homemade sprinkles, so I don't know if that's going to be the fall colors or this is going to be the Halloween colors. So yeah, let's get started, y'all. Or what? You're going to need your tips for piping the icing and your bags. And I haven't done icing or spackling icing in about 3 years. Might be longer. Okay, so I figured I'd go with the King's Gold and I put some parchment, antique parchment in it. You see right there? So I know ice cream cone isn't that yellowy. I figured this would be closest to an ice cream cone. Plaster of Paris to make our fake bakes and stuff like that long time ago. Oh, that should be enough. Okay, I couldn't find a bigger tip. I guess my kit just don't have it. We're not talking about an expensive kit. I think I paid 20 bucks for it on Amazon years ago. But this is the biggest ice cream tip that I have. So what I'm going to do is just cut my bag. I'm going to figure out how much or how big I need it, and I'm just going to cut it. And if that ain't big enough, I'll cut it again. So now I'm warming up my glue gun. Do these chunks I have here in the office. I mean, it give me a little bit filler. goodness, I hope I'm recording, y'all. Come on, get off of there. Yay! Oh, God, y'all. Oh, I've lost my marbles. Okay. Ooh. That looks more like an ice cream, huh? Okay, we're going to let that set a second. I don't know. I hope y'all can see it good. Ta-da! Yay! Give myself a hand. Woohoo! Okay, it's been about a half an hour and I'm trying to put on the Mod Podge. Hold on. I mean, it's going on pretty good. I'm able to fix some stuff too. Okay, I think I got it covered. Let me get this off here. I don't want that on there. So, looks more like an ice cream now, don't it? Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the sprinkles on there now. Okay, we're going to do yellow, brown, and orange. Since it's going in my kitchen. Oh, I'm so happy, y'all. Look, 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 look. Haha. Looking good. Okay, I'm going to put this off to the side. Okay. I need a more fluffier brush. This one's a little rough. Remember, this clear is dry is clear, sorry. Okay, I hope I got it all covered. I think I do. What y'all think? Yay! Okay, y'all, I'm keeping it real. It was just looking too sloppy, so I scraped it off. Yeah, it was a mess. It's a mess. Got this one's a lot thicker. Like I said, if it's not thick enough because I put the paint in there, and I've always put paint in my spackle. I don't know. So if it doesn't, then I'll let it dry like the white ones. My husband's seen these and he almost took a lick. He thought I went to McDonald's. Okay, let's hope, y'all. Come on. I see I got some air bubbles there. Hopefully they work their way out. I'm a little nervous now, but hey. There was one air bubble. Ta-da! How's that look, y'all? Make sure that it don't mess it up. Okay, y'all, cross your fingers. We're gonna try this again. Yeah, it's a lot lighter. Oh, my. Sorry, y'all. I know it quiet. Ooh. Okay, y'all, there it is. Okay, it's probably been about an hour, so I'm going to go ahead and try to paint these because these are not just orange enough for me. Okay, that was this last one, so this was the first one. I got my big... I'm so scared I'm going to mess it up. Well, I know it's still wet because that just closed up that air pocket. Ooh, I didn't know. Ooh, ooh. Well, okay. It's still wet. So if you need to fix anything, now's the time to do it. What do y'all think? I think I like this better. Yep, like the darker better. So we're going to let this dry a little bit more and we'll come back. I put Mod Podge in the paint and I just painted the ice cream. I like the darker orange better. So I'm going to go ahead and put the sprinkles on there while it's wet. I'm going to use black and white, I believe. I'm like, why aren't they sticking? There you go, y'all. I hope you liked my video today. It was a sweet, easy craft to make. If you have any questions, please ask me down below in the comments section. I will write everything in the description box that I used for my ice creams today. But here they are. And as you can see, they're so shiny, like they're real. And I hope you liked them. And please give a thumbs up and think about subscribing to my channel because I'm going to get more DIYs out to y'all. Bye, y'all.